everyone, what's going on? Namaste, welcome back. Okay, remember how I have been an advocate for Monster all these days and I hated Red Bull from the beginning? Well, it's been 3 to 4 years since I've tried Red Bull. Now I got the plain flavor and I'm going to try it right in front of you and review it and see if I still hate it or still like it. Now, according to Nihar, मुझे येलो वाला पसंद आएगा उसने बोला था. I would like the yellow colored mango flavor Red Bull, but all in all, I could get this one, so I'm gonna try and see. Let's see what happens. हम दूसरे flavors भी try करेंगे. So let's just open it up. There you go, the original Red Bull. Same sweetish energy drink flavor. Let me just be honest with you guys that I was feeling sleepy, and to be clear, Monster and Red Bull are the two brands that are trustworthy. Of course, there are other available as well, other energy drinks, but इनका taste और इनका caffeine content consistent रहता है, इतना guarantee अपने को जो कि नींद तोड़ सकता है, at least for some hours, है ना? इसीलिए I got the Red Bull. इसी मौके हम try भी कर सकते हैं, so let's go ahead. It's chilled, so let's go. Nope. There's a okay. This is something like a bubblegum flavor cross cough syrup flavor with a little bitterness towards the end. Cough syrup bitterness, which I hate so much, even in coffee. But it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Because as a kid, I hated it. I'm sure this is something we call as acquired taste, and I have an acquired taste now, but no, Red Bull still sucks. Not as badly as before for me, but it still sucks. In terms of reliability, yeah, of course a 9 out of 10, no doubt, but in terms of taste, still a 4 out of 10 for me because it is way too bitter for me. Not something I expect from Red Bull. There was another brand, right, like Hell and Predator, and all of those were copies of Monster's taste with a green apple flavor or whatever you want to call it. But sadly, उनका क्या सीन है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा sweetness बढ़ा देते हैं, which again ruins the whole experience. As of Red Bull, it has sweetness, but it is also super bitter aftertaste, which I don't like. So, nay for me. I don't know about you guys. Now, talking about price, well, it's only 125 rupees for 250 ml. I hope you like the video. Wanted to keep it short and sweet. See you guys in the next one.